Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss important questions on phylum Arthropoda, cockroach, housefly and mosquito. Observe. Functions of Malpighian tubules in cockroach is respiration, excretion, reproduction, digestion. Second option is correct, excretion, osmoregulation and homeostasis. Periplaneta belongs to Annelida, Platyhelminthes, Arthropoda, mollusca. It belongs to Arthropoda. Complete metamorphosis occurs in moths and mosquitoes, grasshopper, bedbug, silverfish. Correct option first, moths and mosquitoes. Elephantiasis or filariasis is transmitted by housefly, mosquito, bedbug, fruit fly. It is by mosquito. The body cavity of cockroach is coelom, pseudocele, hemocele, coelentron. It is hemocele. Malpighian tubules are excretory organs of insect, respiratory organs of insect, excretory organs of frog, endocrine gland. First option is correct, excretory organs of insects. Locusts are closely related to moths, beetles, butterflies, grasshoppers. It is grasshoppers. Which of the following animals has a ventral nerve cord? Frog, cockroach, hydra, amoeba. It is cockroach. Cockroach has no RBCs or hemoglobin because its blood does not transport oxygen and carbon dioxide, and tissues have direct exchange of gases from air. Cockroach is an invertebrate. Cockroach does not respire. Hemoglobin is the oxygen carrier in its blood. First option is correct. In its blood does not transport oxygen and carbon dioxide and tissue, and they have direct exchange of gases from air through their spiracles. Myriapod has exoskeleton, dorsal nerve cord, one pair of antenna, three body segment. Exoskeleton, ventral nerve cord, two pair of antenna, three body segment. Soft body, ventral nerve cord, two pairs of antenna, neurus segment. Exoskeleton, ventral nerve cord, one pair of antenna, many segment. Last option is correct. Exoskeleton, ventral nerve cord, a pair of antenna, many segments. It is claimed that amoebic dysentery is more prevalent where there are more houseflies because houseflies and Entamoeba histolytica have common host. Houseflies contaminate our foodstuff with the cyst of Entamoeba histolytica. Houseflies and Entamoeba histolytica inhabit similar environment. Some part of the life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica is passed in gut of housefly. Second option is correct. Houseflies contaminate our foodstuff with cyst of Entamoeba histolytica. Wings of cockroach arise from one pair each from prothorax and mesothorax, prothorax and metathorax, mesothorax and metathorax, metathorax and first abdominal segment. Third option is correct, mesothorax and metathorax. Number of eggs contained in an ootheca of a cockroach is 8, 16, 32, 4. Second option is correct, 60. The mouth parts of cockroach are adapted for cutting and chewing, drilling, sucking, pursing. First option is correct, cutting and chewing. In which of these body segments are most distinct? Fish, whale, centipede, leech. It is the centipede. In which of these molting of exoskeleton occurs from time to time during growth period? Cockroach, ascaris, fish, earthworm. The correct option is cockroach. That a parasitic could also act as a host is proved by malarial parasite, monkey, mouse, mosquito. It is mosquito. Which of the two parts in cockroach are fundamentally similar in structure? Anal styles and labrum, mandibles and antenna, maxilla and legs, wings and anal sci. Third option is correct, maxillae and legs. Spraying of oil on stagnant water controls malaria because water becomes impure for mosquito. Mosquito larva cannot breathe. Oil kills malaria parasite in mosquito. Specific gravity of water increases. Second option is correct. Mosquito larva cannot breathe. Number of segments in thorax of cockroach is 2, 4, 3, several. Correct option is 3. Conglobate gland occurs in male reproductive organs of frog, prawn, earthworm, cockroach. Correct option is cockroach. The process of ecdysis in cockroach and other insects is related with respiration, growth, excretion, depression. Correct option is growth. Which type of mouth parts occur in mosquitoes? Lapping, biting and chewing, pursing and chewing, sucking or pursing and sucking. Fourth option is correct, sucking or pursing and sucking. Sucking or pursing and sucking. Larvae of Anopheles float at water surface with their head at surface and tail below, tail above and head below, whole body horizontal to surface, two of the foregoing. Third option, whole body horizontal to surface. A fixed number of body segments and legs occur in earthworm, tinea, ascaris, cockroach and ants, hydra. Fourth option is correct, cockroach and ants. Sexual dimorphism is most distinct externally in earthworm, paramecium, cockroach, amoeba. It is in cockroach. Number of reproductive organs is fixed in cockroach, tinea, hydra, sponge. It is cockroach. Excretory organs of cockroach and other insects are Nephridia, Malpighian tubules, and fat body, gizzard, Malpighian carpusum. Second option is correct, Malpighian tubules and fat body. Respiratory organs in cockroach and other insects are kidney, Malpighian tubules, trachea, Malpighian carpusum. It is trachea. Egg of cockroach is isoleucithal, mesoleucithal, teloleucithal, centroleucithal. It is centroleucithal. Oxygen carrying respiratory pigment of cockroach and other insects is hemocyanin, hemoglobin, hemoerythrin, none. None is the correct answer. A unit of photoreception in a compound eye of cockroach and other insects is Ctenidium, Oswaldium, Ommatidium, Saltritium. Third option is correct, Ommatidium. Number of chambers in the heart of cockroach is 13, 3, 4, 23. It is 13 is the correct option. Now the next one. Hemoglobin containing red blood cells. Hemoglobin containing red blood is absent in rat, mosquito and cockroach, earthworm, bird. Correct option is mosquito and cockroach. Alary muscle in cockroach are related with trachea, brain, gut, heart. It is heart. One common feature of trachea of cockroach and trachea of rabbit is that are ectodermal in origin, have non-collapsible wall, or endodermal in origin, have cartilaginous ring. Second option is correct, have non-collapsible wall. Housefly normally lays eggs in stagnant water, on hanging rope and wires, cow dung, cocoon. Correct option is cow dung. Respiratory siphon is found in larva of housefly, tadpole of frogs, nymph of cockroach, larva of culex. It is larva of culex. Reduced wings are found in Paraplanta, mosquito, blatta, housefly. It is in blatta. Female Anopheles lays eggs in water, floating water, dark places, dung. It is in water. Anopheles eggs float in water due to the presence of zygotic nucleus, yolk, air floats, air bubble. It due to air floats. If all water reservoirs get dry, chances of dissemination of which one of these parasites are minimized? Ascaris, tinea, and amoeba, plasmodium. It is plasmodium. Which one of the following stages is necessary in the life cycle of an animal in which complete metamorphosis occur? Adult, egg, larva, all of this. It is the larva, correct option. Incomplete metamorphosis occurs in cow, crocodile, cat, cockroach. Correct option is cockroach. A distinct thorax does not occur in cockroach, centipede, squirrel, man. It is in centipede. Anal styles are found in male cockroach, male housefly, male mosquito, female cockroach. It is in male cockroach. Common salivary duct of cockroach opens upon labrum, labium, mandibles, hypopharynx. It is in hypopharynx. Larva of housefly is called nymph, imago, maggot, tumbler. It is called maggot. Yellow fever is transmitted by female culex, female anopheles, female Aedes housefly. It is the female Aedes. Larva of Anopheles floats upon water surface with its body hanging in water at right angles to surface, parallel to surface, hanging in water at 45 degrees from the surface, does not float at surface. Second option is correct, parallel to surface. Complete metamorphosis occurs whenever larval form changes into adult. Growth occurs, development is by parthenogenesis, none of. First option is correct, larval changes into adult. Now the next one, Structures which help in distinguishing male cockroaches from the females are anal cirri, anal styles, longer antenna, functional wings. It is anal styles. Eggs of Anopheles are found in singly with air floats, singly without air floats, in rafts with air floats, in rafts without air float. First option is correct, singly with air floats. Larva of Anopheles is a surface feeder with long and conical respiratory siphon, surface feeder with undeveloped respiratory siphon, bottom feeder with undeveloped respiratory siphon, a bottom feeder with long conical respiratory siphon. Second option is correct, surface feeder with undeveloped respiratory siphon. Ootheca in Paraplaneta americana is secreted by collateral glands, conglobate glands, mushroom glands, genital pouch of female. First option is correct, collateral glands. In the second instar larva of housefly has one pair of abdominal spiracles, one pair of abdominal and one pair of prothoracic spiracles, two pair of abdominal and one pair of prothoracic spiracles, one pair of abdominal and two pair of prothoracic spiracles. Second option is correct, one pair of abdominal and one pair of prothoracic spiracles. A common feature of cockroach and housefly is that both have two pairs of wings, feed on liquid food, have compound eyes, have a pupal stage in the eye. Second option is correct, have compound eyes. Wings of Paraplaneta americana mostly help it in escaping from danger, catching prey, finding a male, finding a place to lay eggs. First option is correct, escaping from danger. An ideal example of metamorphosis is regeneration of tail in lizards, growth of bird and other body hairs in man, formation of pupa from maggot of housefly, growth of young one in marsupium of kangaroo. Third option is correct, formation of pupa from maggot of housefly. In cockroach, oxygen is carried with air to various tissues by blood pigment, blood plasma, tracheal tubes, diffusion through integument, tracheal tubes. Larva of Culex mosquito floats in water vertically with head upwards and tail downwards, vertically with head downwards and tail upwards, horizontally with tail and exposed to air, horizontally with both ends submerged in water. Second option is correct, vertically with head downwards and tail upwards. Housefly differs from mosquito in having only three pairs of jointed legs, compound eyes, antenna, all legs resting upon surface while sitting. Fourth option is correct, all legs resting upon surface while sitting. Puncturing elements of mouth parts of female Anopheles are labrum and labium, labium and mandibles, hypopharynx and labium, maxillae and mandibles. Fourth option is correct, maxillae and mandibles. Pairs of spiracles in Paraplaneta americana 3, 6, 10, 8. Correct option is 3. Two common Indian cockroaches are Paraplaneta orientalis, Blatta americana, Paraplaneta americana and Blatta orientalis, Paraplaneta indica, Blatta orientalis, Paraplaneta americana and Blatta indica. Second option is correct, Paraplaneta americana and Blatta orientalis. A free living larval stage occurs in lizard, house sparrow, housefly, hydra. Correct option, housefly. Larva housefly is adapted for living in pond water, sandy water, green vegetation, dung. It is dung. Common feature of earthworm and cockroach is excretion by nephridia, molting of cuticle, ventral nerve cord, hermaphroditism. Hermaphroditism. Third option is correct. They both have ventral nerve cord. What is common between cockroach, scorpion, and centipede? Trachea, compound eyes, thorax, jointed legs. Correct option is jointed legs. Wings are vestigial in female Paraplaneta americana, male Paraplaneta americana, female Blatta orientalis, male Blatta orientalis. Third option is correct, female Blatta orientalis. Larva of housefly respires anaerobically by trachea, by gills, through skin. Second option is correct, by trachea.